Why do some creators get 100,000 views on their third video, while others struggle to break 1,000 views after posting for 2 years? Here's what most people don't realize. The algorithm isn't random, and it's not just about luck. There are creators who've cracked the actual psychological and technical codes that make content spread like wildfire. While everyone else is following generic advice about posting consistently, these creators are using neuroscience-backed techniques to literally hack human attention. What if I told you that the most viral creators aren't just making content, they're conducting psychological experiments, and they know exactly which emotions trigger shares, which opening words make people watch till the end, and how to manipulate the algorithm into showing their content to millions. Over the past year, I've reverse-engineered the strategies of creators who went from 0 to 500,000 plus followers, analyzed the neurological patterns behind viral content, and discovered why 97% of creators are unknowingly sabotaging their own growth with 3 fatal mistakes. The difference between creators who explode and creators who stay invisible isn't talent or luck, it's understanding the hidden mechanics of human psychology and platform algorithms. And I'm about to show you exactly how these systems work. Let me reveal the 3 psychological manipulation techniques that viral creators use to hijack human attention. Techniques that most people have never heard of. Technique number 1, the curiosity gap. This isn't just about good hooks. This is about engineering specific neurological responses that make it physically uncomfortable for people to stop watching. Successful creators use what neuroscientists call information gap theory. They create a tension in your brain between what you know and what you want to know. Here's the exact formula. Start with a specific, relatable problem, then immediately promise a counterintuitive solution, but delay revealing it. Your brain literally releases dopamine when it anticipates learning something surprising. Bad hook. Here's how to grow on social media. Engineered hook. I discovered why my worst video got 2 million views while my best video got 200. The reason will change how you think about content forever. The second version creates what I call resolution anxiety. Your brain needs to close that loop. Most creators accidentally close the curiosity gap in the first 10 seconds. Viral creators stretch it across the entire video. Technique number 2, the emotional roller coaster architecture. Here's what no one teaches. Viral content isn't just entertaining, it's emotionally addictive. Top creators structure their content like drug dealers, structure addiction. They create predictable emotional peaks and valleys that keep people coming back. The pattern is tension, then relief, then tension, and then relief, with each cycle getting slightly more intense. Watch any MrBeast video. Every 30 seconds, there's a moment where you think, oh no, this might not work, followed by, phew, okay, it worked, but now what? I call this emotional interval training. Just like physical interval training burns more calories, emotional interval training creates more engagement. You're not just delivering information, you're taking people on a carefully designed emotional journey. Technique number 3, the authority contradiction method. This is the most advanced technique, and it's pure psychological warfare. Instead of trying to appear perfect, viral creators strategically reveal flaws, mistakes, and vulnerabilities, but in a way that actually increases their authority. The formula: admit a specific failure, reveal the expensive lesson you learned, then teach others how to avoid your mistake. This triggers what psychologists call benevolent authority. People trust you more because you're helping them avoid pain you've experienced. I used this when I admitted I wasted $3,000 on a course that taught outdated YouTube strategies. Instead of hiding this mistake, I made a video breaking down exactly what I learned was wrong and what actually works. That video got 400,000 views because people felt like I was protecting them from the same expensive mistake. The viral content creation system. Now let me give you the exact system that turns random content into algorithm-dominating machines. This is called VIRAL, value stacking. Don't just provide one piece of value. Stack multiple value types in single content. Combine education plus entertainment plus inspiration plus practical tips. Most creators pick one. Viral creators layer them. For example, instead of just how to edit videos faster, make it how I edit 10 videos in 2 hours while my perfectionist friend takes 2 hours per video. Plus the $200 tool that changed everything. You've stacked education, techniques, entertainment, comparison story, inspiration, efficiency goals, and practical tips. Instant gratification loop. The algorithm measures satisfaction completion rate, how satisfied people feel when your content ends. Create what I call quick win sequences throughout your content. Small moments where viewers feel immediate success. Every 60 to 90 seconds, give viewers something they can use immediately. A quick tip, a realization about themselves, a useful tool, or an aha moment. This keeps their brain releasing reward chemicals throughout the entire video. Response prediction. This is where it gets scientific. Before creating content, successful creators predict exactly what responses they want and engineer content to create those responses. They're not hoping for engagement, they're manufacturing it. The technique: end segments with specific questions that have predictable answer patterns. Instead of "what do you think?" try "which of these 3 mistakes have you made?" Comment A, B, or C. This gives people an easy way to engage and gives you data about your your audience. A. Algorithm. Signal optimization. Most creators think the algorithm is a black box. It's not. It measures specific signals, and you can optimize for them directly. The three most important signals: session duration, how long people stay on the platform after watching your content; emotional engagement, comments that show strong emotional responses, surprise, anger, joy; completion plus action, finishing your content and taking another action. L. Long-term value compound. This is what separates creators who have one viral hit from creators who build sustainable growth. Every piece of content should make your next piece of content easier to create and more likely to succeed. Create content ecosystems, where each video references and builds on previous videos. This increases watch time across your entire channel and makes the algorithm see you as valuable for keeping people on the platform longer. The advanced growth multiplication strategies. Here are 3 professional-level techniques that can accelerate your growth by 500%. 1. The attention arbitrage method. Most creators compete where everyone else competes. Smart creators find attention arbitrage opportunities, places where your target audience spends time but other creators ignore. Example: if you're a productivity creator, instead of only posting on productivity hashtags, find where overwhelmed parents, overworked professionals, or busy students hang out online. You're bringing productivity solutions to people who need them but aren't actively searching for them. 2. The content ladder strategy. Structure your content like a video game. Each piece should naturally lead to the next level of engagement with your brand. Level 1. Entertainment content that requires no commitment. Short, funny, relatable. Level 2. Educational content that provides quick wins, tutorials, tips, hacks. Level 3. Transformation content that requires investment, longer videos, courses, challenges. Most creators jump straight to level 3 and wonder why no one engages. Build the ladder and guide people up it step by step. Your competition isn't other creators. It's every other piece of content competing for human attention. The creators who win are the ones who understand that attention is governed by predictable psychological principles, not random chance. Start with one technique from this system today. Pick the curiosity gap engineering and apply it to your next piece of content. Notice how it changes not just your view count, but the quality of engagement you receive. Within 30 days of applying these systems, you'll be operating at a level that makes your old content creation look random. You'll have a systematic approach that reliably produces engaging content instead of hoping lightning strikes twice. Remember, you're not just creating content, you're engineering psychological experiences that provide value while strategically building your audience. That's the difference between hoping to go viral and systematically building a content empire. If this transformed how you think about content creation, subscribe, because we're just getting started with advanced audience psychology and platform manipulation strategies that'll keep you ahead of every other creator.